Aldi Novel Adilan is a 19-year-old fisherman who was swept away from his fishing platform. Aldi drift ko outside lo Solwara lo Pacific Ocean, about 1,200 miles away from shoreline, and survived in an open sea for 49 days by himself. Limited kai vlogen, Aldi survived by catching fish na filtering seawater lo drink ko sa wara. Aldi survived lo this lo way for 49 days. Aldi crediting Bible vlogen because during lo this la experience vlogen 1,200 miles away from shoreline inside lo na Pacific Ocean by himself for 49 days. Aldi lining lo building faith vlogen na trust vlogen lo word vlog God. Na Aldi toko sa kay building courage. Tok bro God give him courage, comfort, na resting trust vlogen lo Jesus that's all. Story blo this lang mangi catch him attention lo me because time he find him out of for 49 days stop lo Solwara na lo 50th day he was reunited with his family. So interesting lo me. Why? Because if you read him inside the Bible, Leviticus chapter 25 verse 8, 9, and 10, Bible toko sa kain, and thou shalt number 7 Sabbaths of years unto thee, 7 times 7 years, and the space of the 7 Sabbaths of years shall be unto thee 49 years. Verse 9, Leviticus 25. Then shalt thou cause the trumpet of Jubilee to sound on the 10th day of the 7th month. In the day of atonement shall you make the trumpet sound through all your land, and you shall hallow the 50th year, and proclaim liberty through all the land unto all the inhabitants thereof. It shall be a jubilee unto you, and you shall return every man unto you unto his possession. He shall return every man unto his family. Time the children of Israel, after 49 years, lo time la reaching 50th year, and time lo jubilee now. Na inside on this la year lo jubilee, also set him free. All get a prisoners, all get a laborers, all get a servants will walk lo vineyard, lo a big line, all get a maidens will walk inside the house, na babysitter one them. Everything of us set him all free. Now those that all stop lo lono have to, all but make him way blog all come back, na reunited one time, family blog all. Aldi drift for 49 days in an open sea, and the 50th day he was reunited, not knowing that God leading him to experiencing 49 days blog and the open sea, so that God leading him come again. My friend, he got in time when come where you to play by you facing 49-day trial by you, and temptation, pain, suffering, and by hitting you storm wind life, Solwara life, and by rough life by me. But remember, after 49 days, the 50th day is the day of freedom, because 49 years and year blow but you stop as a prisoner now 50th year and year blow jubilee. Time 50th day blow me come when the time is right. God leading me come and setting me free all get the trouble and pain blow me.